What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and welcome to the final episode in this series. All right, I want to say thank y'all to everyone who watched it, who enjoyed it, and who learned something from this little update. It wasn't really a build, but it was an update. Some things we kind of did a little bit of construction on, but for the most part, most of this was just copy and paste, you guys. You already have your posts, and all you do is put your post sleeves on. Of course, the rails is basically the construction of this thing. So now we are on the stairs, and I want to say I don't have as much footage for y'all because there was a lot of heartache through this whole thing. Okay. For one, I want to say that when you're doing your stairs, make sure you got your geometry down. Okay. Yeah, because for one, it didn't line up perfect for me because I wasn't exactly where I needed to be with my post. So I tried to maneuver it my own way, and it came out good, but I will show y'all my defect. And basically, y'all know I got OCD, and eventually I will change this whole thing again. Um, Not really that much money. I would probably lose $100, but guess what? I redid a whole deck, and $100 loss is basically pennies on the dollar compared to what I would have paid somebody else to actually repaint the deck, uh, demo all the railings, haul it away, and put the new railings on, and then basically a contractor would have charged way more. All right, but the biggest issue with the stairs was the railing. All right, the railing was horrific. it was the biggest headache you probably could ever face. Now, if I would have had the bottom post in a little bit further away, and I'm gonna show y'all that. So if I had the bottom post a little bit further away, like more in the middle of the two horizontal woods right here, it would have been perfect because the railing come in 6 foot, and I was a little shy of the 6 foot mark. So it is what it is with that. So basically, all that footage would just be fast forward. I'll put music on it, blase blase, or I might just put it in this video, just talking and showing y'all me and my wife putting it together. My wife helped me because she saw me struggling with this thing. And that's about it. If y'all need to know anything else about the deck stairs, send me a message. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Now, one thing I am going to say is, if this was my first phase, if the stairs was phase one, more than likely I would have gave up. I am not going to lie to y'all. I wouldn't have made it past. But because I made the stairs the last phase, which was, it came to be the hardest phase, I actually stuck through because we was 90% done. We already had everything done. Only thing was left was the stairs. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm glad I tackled that fence first instead of coming to the stairs first. And yeah, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please leave it in the comment section and stay tuned. I will let you know the total cost. We'll go over everything. I got new furniture right there. Actually got it on a clearance sale, and I'll let y'all know more about that. I got it from Sam's Club. Sam's Club do have a clearance sale on their outdoor furniture. I guess maybe it's going out of season or something. I don't know. But anyways, salute to y'all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.